How to stop saving search history in Google Chrome. Subscribe right now and watch until the end because I will show you how to stop Google from saving your future searches in under 60 seconds. Let's go. Open Google in any web browser on your computer or smartphone. This is your starting point. Keep watching because the next step is where most people accidentally skip the most important setting. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Do not close this menu, a very common mistake that wastes time. Click the button that says Manage your Google account. This opens your full account settings. Here is where the real privacy control begins. Stay with me. Look for the Data and Privacy tab. On a computer, you will find it on the left side of the screen. On a mobile device, it will be at the top. Click it. You are now one step away from stopping Google's tracking. Keep watching. Scroll down until you see the History Settings section. Inside that section, click on Web and App Activity. This is the main setting that controls whether Google saves your searches. This step is the most important one in the entire video. Do not rush it. Look at the status. It will currently say On, which means Google is saving everything you search. Click the Turn Off button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm your choice to stop Google from saving your future searches. That's it. You just took back your privacy in less than 60 seconds. Now you know exactly how to stop Google from tracking your future searches. If this video helped you protect your privacy, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell, and comment the word privacy below so I know this worked for you. In my next video, I will show you how to delete all the searches Google has already saved from the past 10 years. You do not want to miss it. Subscribe now.